Day 211, meditation on fear. From the moment they wake up, some people are full of inexplicable fear and anguish. This feeling can have many causes. Sometimes the person has been badly treated by their parents or brothers and sisters when they were small. Others have been sexually abused. They have been assaulted and they have difficulty talking about it. Gradually, a kind of fear establishes itself and they feel uneasy in themselves. When they manage to express what they have experienced, if there is someone who can help them to understand that it is all over, that the past is past, then they may have a chance to close that chapter of their life. In Tibet, we say that the only way to unblock a conch shell is by blowing into it. Oh, wise words to meditate on.